Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching. Well, this time I'd like to direct you how to improve your speaking skill using a short article about numbers. To improve your speaking skill, you should listen to me carefully and repeat after me, sentence by sentence when I tell you a short article. You should also try to memorize it and retell it. In the end, I will ask you some questions about it. Now please listen and repeat after me, sentence by sentence. There are 60 seconds in a minute. There are 60 minutes in an hour. There are 24 hours in a day. There are 7 days in a week. There are 4 weeks in a month. There are 12 months in a year. There are 365 days in a year. Alright, do you still remember the article? Can you retell it please? Now please listen and answer my questions. Question number 1. How many seconds are there in a minute? Question number 2. How many minutes are there in an hour? Question number 3. How many hours are there in a day? How many days are there in a month? How many months are there in a year? How many days are there in a year? How many weeks are there in a month? Well, I hope that this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment and share. Thanks for watching.